If Pixlr is giving you a 503 error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of a browser cache issue, a bad extension, a VPN conflict, or sometimes a temporary server problem. The good news is that most of the time you can get Pixlr working again in just a few minutes. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try a force reload. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press CMD plus Shift plus R. This tells your browser to ignore the save cache and load Pixlr directly from the server. Sometimes the page is stuck loading an old broken version, and a hard refresh is all it takes to fix the 503 error. If that does not work, open Pixlr in a new Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This opens a private browsing window with a clean session. Now load Pixlr again. If Pixlr works in Incognito, that is a strong sign that the problem is coming from your regular browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If it still fails in Incognito, then the issue is more likely related to your internet connection, a VPN, or Pixlr's servers themselves. In that case, keep watching because the next steps will help you narrow it down. Now let's do the core fix in Chrome or Edge. If Pixlr worked in Incognito, you need to clear the browser data that could be blocking the site. In your normal browser window, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu instantly. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that might be causing the issue. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Those are the most important items for this fix. Browsing history is optional, so you can leave it unchecked if you want. Once you've selected the correct options, click Clear Data. After that, close the entire browser completely. Don't just close one tab. Make sure all browser windows are closed so the session fully resets. Then reopen your browser and go back to Pixlr. In many cases, this alone fixes the 503 error and gets the editor loading normally again. If the error still happens after clearing cache, then something outside the browser may be blocking the connection. The first thing to check is your VPN. Turn off any active VPN service and try Pixlr again. Some websites flag VPN traffic as suspicious, and that can trigger a 503 or block the site from loading properly. Next, temporarily pause any ad blockers or privacy extensions you have installed. Tools like uBlock Origin, AdBlock Plus, or similar extensions can sometimes block important scripts that Pixlr needs to run correctly. Disable them just for the Pixlr website, refresh the page, and test again. If Pixlr starts working, then you found the cause. If you still see the error after all of that, try another browser or a different network if possible. That can help you figure out whether the issue is tied to your device, your browser, or your internet connection. And if Pixlr is down for everyone, the only fix may be to wait until their servers are back online. So to quickly recap, force reload the page, test Pixlr in Incognito, clear browsing data if it works there, then disable VPNs and ad blockers if needed. Those steps solve most Pixlr 503 errors fast. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes, troubleshooting guides, guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll chat you in the next one.